portfolio. Along with him, I have Mr. Swadhin Mohanty. He's our pre-sales champ on the RPA. And on the regional front, we have Mr. Joy. He leads the North region, and he is based out in Delhi. Then we have Poonam Mathur. She is handling the South region and also the rest of Maharashtra. So that's how we are spread across. Will be in a short time, Mr. Murli Satya. He is our global vice president, alliances and partnership. He'll be joining, and will take and I will kickstart the session right away. So uh, probably I'll just put up the slides. Just give me a second. Visible to everyone. Dave, just confirm me if the slides are visible to everyone.
Yes, yes, it is available. And I would request everyone, if you have any questions, if you want to put up your questions, you can definitely raise your hand or put up in the chat box, right? So yes, yes, Amit.
Sure, thanks. Welcome once again, all the partners who are there for the session. I'll take you through the session. Let me give you a brief about Datamatics and probably how what Datamatics predominantly has been doing, and there is a shift of in the since we have seen a lot of shift in the technology. As Datamatics, we also thought to be in the same race, and that's where we are there today, along with Ingram, to showcase our product lines. So recently, we have joined our hands with Ingram Micro in India, and we have chosen them as a distribution partner to take the journey of our products in the market and to all the respective partners in India. So this is a very recent alignment that Datamatics and Ingram has done. So that is one. Let me give you a brief overview about Datamatics. Datamatics is a global organization. We have offices in 6 countries. On a strength wise, we are 10,000 plus employees. We have 200 plus customers worldwide. We have office in US, UK, Middle East, India, Philippines. So we have offices in almost, and we are covering all the regions. We have 4 delivery centers globally, and one of the most important part, we are listed on the stock markets of India. So that's where. So Datamatics, people know, is there since last more than 45 years. And a short a brief about Datamatics is we have been predominantly doing the BPO and the staffing services over a period of time. But as technology has been changing, and it's a fast growing pace, what we also thought that whatever services that we are rendering to our customers is nothing but the technology is the same. So we thought of productizing the services that we have been doing, and that's where we came up with our products on the lines of RPA. On the lines of RPA, that is robotic process automation, we have a product called TrueBot. On the intelligent data capture, we have a product called TrueCap Plus, and for big data and analytics, we have a product called TrueBI. So all these products has been born way back while we were serving to our limited set of customers. I think more than 2 decades plus, and then we thought of productizing it, and we brought in a lot of technical people to make this happen, and that's where now in the market we have good amount of success stories around the products also. The most important part here is joining hands with Ingram is to make our product more visible in the market, so that we can reach to many customers along with you guys in the market, and make the solution available, and be with them in the journey of transformation. Some of the benefits of a partnerships from shaking hands with the data matters is that they get the access to the leading products like TrueBot, TrueBI, TrueCap Plus. On the support side, we provide our partners full support. We provide them the required softwares. We provide them the training, and also the support right from solution designing till it gets implemented, and also a post implementation Datamatics is there with the partners and also with the customers, so that the solution runs seamlessly and smoothly in their environment. On the marketing front, benefits, we can help the partners to reach out to their end customers, be along with them in some events or seminars, and also probably help them to conduct webinars as what we are doing. So that could be dedicated to that respective partner. We can provide all those marketing support also, and obviously good margins are always there, and Ingram would be happy to guide you to on the margin side. So taking probably a brief, I would request Ullas sir maybe to just give a short, probably a 2 minute speech, and probably then Swadhin can take it ahead on the product side. Ullas sir.
Sure. Thanks, Amit, and thanks, Dave, and entire Ingram team. We are really excited to work with you, and thanks for the time that you have provided for this discussion. So based on discussions that Amit had with you, we have tried our best to provide all the required information proactively from our side in the presentation. However, if there are any follow-up questions, we'll be extremely glad to answer them during this session. And even if something comes up later, we'll be glad to provide you that information as and when it comes up. Amit will coordinate that. With that, I would hand it over to Swadhin for taking it up further. Unless, Amit, you have anything else to add?
No, I think we are good to go. If anybody has any question, we can pause for a minute, and probably then Swadhin can start his presentation.
So, thanks a lot, Amit. Thanks, Ullas. Hi, Dave.
Yeah, Swadhin. Yeah, you can start off.
Yeah. Hi, Dave. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings of the day. Welcome you all to this session. So I'll try to project my PPT onto the screen, and please let me know once it's visible, and we can take it ahead from there. Amit, please confirm.
No.
Sure. Thanks. So true. Yeah, sure. So these are the different types of indigenous product tools that we have in the offering, as Amit mentioned earlier in view of the slides. To start off with, TrueBot is our RPA platform, which is capable of automating any processes that are repetitive in nature, driven by specific business rules, are standardized, voluminous in nature, as well as processes that are prone to frequent human interventions. Once we identify such processes, TrueBot would be able to automate them at ease and with simplicity, with highest possible accuracy. To complement our RPA platform, we have other platforms in the IDP space that is known as TrueCap Plus, which works beautifully with various types of digitized documents, We also provide expertise in the artificial intelligence space, wherein activities like classification, pattern detection, text and data mining is something which we specialize in. The product is known as TrueBot Neuro, and the final product in the BI space is known as TrueBot Analytics. So the essence of this slide is that all these product platforms can work independently as well as in an integrated manner. I I'm sorry, I think some conflicting issue has happened, but again, I'll continue my description. So the essence of this particular slide is that all these product platforms can work independently as well as in an integrated manner to address all the different business automation requirements and pain areas and provide them the suitable and optimal automation solution. Moving ahead, ladies and gentlemen, this is our credentials as far as our TrueBot platform is concerned. Our product has evolved over, over 2 decades, and we have been successful enough in working with more than 100 customers who are present globally to address their automation challenges. We have been successfully able to automate more than 1,000 processes, wherein more than 4,000 active bots have been working on their premises to achieve their automation objectives. In order to achieve this feat, we have our in-house capability and strength of more than 300 robot experts. Most of them are certified professionals in this particular space, who along with our growing partnership network help us address different business scenarios, business pain areas, automation requirements, and help the customers in their automation journey by providing them end-to-end product as well as implementation services. And it's noteworthy to mention that if you look at the bottom right-hand side quadrant, it is noteworthy to mention that along with TrueBot, as I mentioned earlier, TrueCap Plus works beautifully with TrueBot in processing different kinds of digitized documents, and collaboratively these two product platforms have been successful enough in processing more than 300 million documents for our customers globally. I'll pause here for a few seconds to see if there are any questions. Otherwise, I'll move ahead. Okay. Yeah. So moving ahead, ladies and gentlemen, this is the architectural representation of the TrueBot platform that we have. So let's say in our organizations, we have different kinds of standard process like, let's say FNF process like bank reconciliation, bank account reconciliation, accounts payable receivable process, sales order processing. All these processes are prone to, are standardized in nature, are driven by certain specific business rules, and are voluminous as well. So that is where TrueBot platform can pitch in, help the business users and the user organization to automate the end-to-end process without any manual intervention. So in order to automate these processes, we need to understand the different components that are present in the TrueBot architecture. So any user organization who has to use this product has to be aware of these 3 components, which are the primary ones. The first component of TrueBot is TrueBot Designer. Using this desktop-based application, any business user with minimal coding or developer experience can open or create a new process and in a step-by-step sequential manner, which earlier they were doing in a manual way. Now, TrueBot Designer has many features like universal recorder, which can work and integrate with different kinds of applications, Excel sheets, irrespective of the underlying architecture, email servers. So irrespective of the underlying architecture, the designer is capable enough to traverse, touch base upon different applications, scrape objects or information of those applications, validate them, and do the necessary action that is required for that particular process. To complement that, there are more than 200 reusable components which can be used along with the universal recorder to create a step-by-step sequential automated process flow. We will discuss about it in due course of time in detail. I'll just jump into the next important component, that is TrueBot Cockpit. Now, this is the heart and soul of the entire RPA program as far as the business user from the user organization standpoint. Any automated process can be managed, monitored, and controlled in an integrated manner from the cockpit. Now, this becomes the entire RPA program of an organization or of a department within the organization can be managed using this particular component. When we spoke about bank account reconciliation, while we design it using the designer, we can manage the operations of that particular process, the scheduling, the different actions that we need to monitor them. All that can be done using the TrueBot cockpit. But the third most important components are the bot stations. These are nothing but the end user infrastructure. It could be a laptop, a desktop, a cloud, or a virtual machine, from where the process that has been designed using the designer and uploaded onto the cockpit can be run or executed at just a single click of a mouse button. That is how simple it is. So,
Swadhin,
yeah.
Swadhin, this is Deb. I'm sorry to interfere in between. Could you please minimize the block which is on the right below? Yeah, you can minimize that. There is a minimize option there, so you
Yeah.
can minimize that.
Sure, I am deliberately not doing that because it becomes a little challenging to
Okay.
again switch
Okay.
from screen to screens.
Sure.
But
Sure.
I'll make
Sure.
sure
Thank
that's
you.
not
Thank you so much.
obstructing. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Now moving ahead, these are some of the key features and unique features of the TrueBot platform. As we know, there would be many different product platforms in the offering in the market space, but TrueBot is quite a competitive and an evolved product which has many key features. We spoke about the visual workflow, the universal recorder using which we can very conveniently design an automated process. Absolutely, there is no requirement for coding. We use the reusable component and just drag and drop it onto the screen to design our process. Our tool is integrated with our intelligent data capture platform, which is TrueCap Plus, which makes it very productive and suitable for different businesses to achieve their end-to-end objectives, automation objectives. To speak about a few of other unique features, we have the provision of providing dynamic bot session selector, wherein multiple users can access to the same automated process, or let's say IPR process, to run it at different point in time. As a business continuity failover mechanism, this feature becomes very handy. We can discuss in length on this particular on these all of these features, but then probably we might connect sometime later in this week or next week to help you understand each of the nitty-gritty nuances of each of these features. ROI calculator is something which becomes very important for a business user standpoint, wherein the comparative analysis of automating a process, let's say insurance claim process, can be seen or can be visualized on a real-time basis by using this feature of the cockpit that we have to offer. And the final unique feature on this slide is proactive health monitoring, wherein we can manage and monitor the credentials, the validations of the credentials of bot stations from the cockpit. Hence, these are one of those many features that help any business user organization to very conveniently build their automated process, be it any process, it is industry agnostic, to come out with a step-by-step sequential method of designing a process. Now, see, these are some of the other features. I won't dwell much into this slide, but again, you can take a glance on it. There are a lot of different unique features like maintaining multiple process versions of the automated process that we have created. We can see the historical information or data, the audit trails of the process that we have automated using the designer and the cockpit. Um, the 100% management and control and central execution of these bots can be done from cockpit is what we discussed earlier, which makes it very versatile in nature and helpful as well for the business organizations. And there are other features if you can see. So in the interest of time, I am not dwelling much into it unless there are any queries which I would be happy to answer them. Now the RPA platform is, the features of this platform is pretty much differentiated as compared to the other platforms in the offering. These platforms are multi-skilled. The bots that we create can work across different processes, different systems, different applications, and at an enterprise level as well. So irrespective of the number of departments that we have within the organization, this platform can be used by all the departments at an organization level to address their end-to-end automation objectives. While we spoke about now we're at the third point where we spoke about business users not having any developer experience. So that is this point is trying to drive across that one doesn't need to have specific developer experience. People like me with minimal coding experience can use this tool to design their automated process. Now, we can have full control of our RPA program using the cockpit, wherein we manage and control the entire initiative. Now, this is backed by our intelligent data capture tool, that is TrueCap Plus, which collaboratively have the cognitive powers and the intelligence to traverse across different applications like ERP, mainframe servers, Citrix applications hosted on any VPN network, to automatically and intelligently scrape and extract information out of those applications or post information on those applications and make some validations around it as well. Now, the last point on this slide, which is a very important point, is the flexibility of deployment. Our product is flexible enough to be hosted on-premise as well as on cloud. Based on the infrastructure requirement and the existing setup of the infrastructure architecture within the organization, we can definitely work with businesses to help them make a very versatile and a flexible setup, wherein it ensures that the business continuity is maintained as well as the outcome is achieved to its fullest. Now, these are some of the key benefits. It is easy to use. All the aspects of data security has been taken into account, has been built onto the system, be it data in motion or in rest. All those specific protocols, encryption protocols like AES 256 standard protocol, TLS 1.2 protocol of communication between client server setup has been incorporated, thereby ensuring that the security aspects are maintained by the product. Here I would like to emphasize on the fact that you had seen earlier in the architecture diagram that the TrueBot, the different components are independent and separate, the bot station, the designer, and the cockpit. However, they are an integral part. So the reason being they are separate is that the decision has been taken at a conscious level, at an a conscious decision has been taken at an enterprise level to make sure that stakeholders who have access to designing a product or a process using a designer doesn't necessarily have the access and the control to manage those products. It is left entirely onto the organization or the department within the organization to decide who within the organization will have the controls to design and the responsibilities to manage them. So that is completely the sovereignty of that is completely left onto the user organization. That is how it becomes more secure in terms of avoiding any duplicacies or avoiding any fraudulent transactions that might crop in. Our product is scalable and as well as it is intelligent to work across different types of components that are part of the entire process, irrespective of the complexity of those processes. Now, this was a brief about our TrueBot product. Now I'll quickly move on to our next product in the offering, that is TrueCap Plus. This is our intelligent data processing or document processing tool, which is able to work on any kind of digitized documents. It has the built-in intelligence and the fuzzy logic algorithms within it to not only read information from digitized documents, but also pre-process and post-process these informations from the digitized documents. When I say pre-process and post-processing, so let's say if we in our invoice processing process, wherein we'll get a lot of invoices in a PDF format. So reading the information out of that, making sure the characters within the documents are repaired, are enhanced, the brightness of these are enhanced, image quality is improved, the legibility of those documents are also improved, and by doing certain kind of validations on the data as well. So that comprises the scope of pre-processing and post-processing. So there are more than 38 pre-processing techniques and 30 post-processing techniques that are associated with this product, which enhances the intelligent level of the product to work on any kind of template-free documents. So when I say it's template free, irrespective of the positioning or alignment of the fields within the documents, like invoice data or the invoice number might be at the top of the document in some documents, and it could be at the bottom, or at the it would be aligned at the center. So irrespective of the position, the product is capable and intelligent enough to read and extract information in an intelligent manner. Now, this I would again like to reinforce and reiterate that this product is quite evolved and works collaboratively with our robot platform to automate any end-to-end processes that are right candidate for RP automation. These are some of the key features. I won't deep dive into it much unless there are any questions. And in the interest of time, I would request Amit to take it over from me now. And unless there are questions, we can move ahead. Amit, over to you.
Sure. Thanks, Swadhin. Probably, Swadhin took us through the journey for TrueBot and TrueCap. Feel free to ask your questions or raise your hand if you have any queries. We are there to answer them out. I'll also take a minute to show you a glance about our business intelligence tool, that is TrueBI. Uh, let me put it across. Swadhin, can you just switch off your screen? Oh, thanks. Let me put back the presentation so that we all are on the same page. So Swadhin has given a view. So let me give you a view about the TrueBI, which is again one of our flagship product on the lines of business intelligence. Good reference cases we have for the same. So what does the tool offer? It's an enterprise-ready BI platform. There are lot many features like it has a self-service analytical capability. The security wise, it has an enterprise security and performance great performance scalability is also there. The modern and responsive UI, so it can be accessed through mobile, your tabs, and on laptops or desktop. It can be viewed. The view would be the same across all the platforms. It has a 360-degree view. So these are some of the important features of BI. But just to add, what Datamatics can add more value to the BI platform is probably along with BI, we can also plug in our advanced analytics capabilities so that if the customer, once he starts his journey on the BI line, I think he'll be in a good shape to take more predictive and decisions, and that's where our advanced analytics capabilities will also fall in, and the customer gets an end-to-end right from the the base of the BI to the advanced analytics. We are capable of handling all those kind of queries and responses of the customer. So this is just a glimpse about our BI. Today, our focus in the session is sorry. So today our session and is more around the RPA, the trends, and for the 2020. Uh, uh, so that's where on the BI front we'll have one more webinar in the coming days where we will give you more in-depth details about the BI. Going ahead, these are some of the key analyst coverage. In 2019, we were one of the Gartner's Peer Insight Customers' Choice for a couple of quarters. Again, we have been listed in many we have been covered by many analysts like Peak Matrix is there, Nelson Hall is there. So these are some of the recognitions. Uh, 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 then again, on the award side, these are some of the awards that we have won on the TrueBot and other lines that we have been doing. Uh, just some of the
Amit, Amit,
testimonies.
that's here.
Sure,
There's a question in
sure.
between. So
Yeah,
we may
sure.
want to take that. There's a question from Sanjeev regarding what are the current trends in under the COVID-19 era. So
Sure,
just to maybe quickly I can respond and then we can proceed further.
sure, sure,
So
sure.
quickly I would say it's of course whatever is happening under COVID situation is not good overall, but then there are certain positive impact that it has on certain businesses, and our automation business definitely falls into that. We have seen that under this new normal business situation where most of the people are working from home and we don't know how long they will be continuing to do that. And under this situation, the automation and benefits of that have been more consciously understood by most of the organizations. And we have seen that they are diverting their funds from other priority projects or IT projects, I would say, to automation because they could see immediate benefits which will help them tide over the current situation. So just to summarize, we have seen that the demand has gone up for automation. And of course, this is a perfect time for us to help them getting over this situation, also to increase our business. I hope I
Sure.
answer your
Thanks.
question. You can take it up further.
Sure. Thanks, Ullah. So just to add on, in my coming slides, we have on the similar lines, as you rightly mentioned, I'll just share one more deck of mine so that you we have an offer which is currently running around the RPA and that would really help the customers in the crisis situation to build their automation journey without investing more at this critical time. So I would just share those details with you. Let me share the, sorry. Okay. So we are running currently an offer on the RPA front. Just to give you a glimpse, I hope my slides are visible to all.
Yes, Amit, it's visible.
Yeah. So we are running an offer for RPA just to increase the adaptation of our product, that is TrueBot, help enterprise deal with the situation by COVID by offering RPA at zero cost. At no cost means zero cost. I'll give you more details about the offer also. And to increase our TrueBot customer base, add new logos, to create a pipeline in the coming days post we see some the COVID effect is less or it has been gone away, and converting those accounts into billable clients. And also to actively participate along with the channel partners to penetrate the fast growing market. So these are the objectives of rolling out the offer. More details, the what is the program overview says is about as in the response of the current COVID-19 situation and to help mitigate the risk, we are offering TrueBot, our RPS solutions at no cost to enable enterprise to navigate the situation. So this is a very unique offer that we have rolled out in the market. Whether you are a Datamatics customer or a private organization, what you get free usage of three bots through bot licenses until 30th of September 2020. Again, when we are saying that we are offering this licenses, The licenses are all production ready bots with all the latest features. So even if the customer wishes to plug into their production immediately, it is up and ready for them. So these are highlight about the program. What are the benefits? To expedite the crisis management, mitigate productivity losses, handling surge in volumes for critical processes, because we have seen there are a lot of processes which are in volumes, and also maintaining the social distancing, which is most important in this crisis situation, with a reduced workforce, and also making the business continuity planning as usual. So who would be the set of the target audience when we speak to our customers? Probably the automation journey is something which is always from a top down approach. It has to be from the CEO or the CFO or the process heads, so that they understand what kind of automation is required, and which will help the organization to move faster. And again, this is not limiting to any industry or any geography. This can be probably in today's scenario, automation is the key word, and it is across all industries and all geographies. So what are we offering? We are offering on the licenses part, we are offering one starter pack. What does the starter pack consist of? Starter pack consists of one TrueBot license plus two TrueBot designer licenses plus one cockpit license. So when we put all these four components together, we have named this as a starter pack. So we are offering one starter pack plus two bot licenses plus standard product support, which is on email, absolutely free of cost. That is zero cost till 30th of September. We have also tried to come out with keeping the global crisis in mind. We have tried to come out with our services as low as possible, and we have bifurcated them into simple, medium, and high. Since we are from the emerging market, that is India, and emerging markets of Asia, we should look at the prices like for simple it is 2 lakhs, for medium it is 4, and for high it is 6 lakhs. So this is predefined packages which are available, and this is only for this offer. Again, our TrueBot, this offer is only for TrueBot. It is not, the offer is not for TrueCap, which Swadhin has briefed us. It is not for TrueCap Plus. It is especially only for the TrueBot. So if a customer wishes to start his journey for automation, here is the offer, and they can kickstart their process automation, and post 30th of September, we can always go back to the customer and make him available in the coming days. So till then, he can use it free of cost. Now, when we say that we briefed you about our products, when we briefed you about the offer, now obviously the offer is absolutely of zero cost. So what will as a partner or as a business partner or as a distributor, or even or even as Datamatics, what we will earn? But yes, the most important part, that we are trying to build a pipeline in the current global scenario. And again, no obligations to any of the customers who registers for this offer, that they have to go ahead and procure the licenses. If they wish to discontinue post 30th of September, they can. Also, if they wish to purchase one bot, two bot, or three bots, it is up to them. So we are not restricting the customers to buy all the three bots. So this is the flexibility that we are putting on the table, and we want our partners to help us reach out to your or to your set of customers, make them register, make them so that they also use this in this crisis scenario. they make the use out of this. They don't have to pay for at least 3 months. We are currently in July. We have 3 months, so they absolutely they can run their business, their automate their processes, and post September, we can always create a pipeline and make the customers a billable customer. So this is the offer that we have put up to our which is there in the market. Along with the offer, a special, since we have joined hands with Ingram, so a special spiff that we wanted to roll out, and today we are announcing the spiff also for the partners who are there on who are Ingram's partners. So we there's a spiff especially for along with this COVID offer. What does the spiff say? We are giving the partner sales team incentive for partners on converting prospects into paid subscription by 31st of December 2020. What we want the partners, where we want the help from the partners, that you ask your customers to register and try and convert them, have the purchase order by 31st of December, and you are entitled. So this is specifically for the partner sales team, as they are aligned more with the customers on the field, and to motivate them, and also to you guys, this will help us to uh, get the registrations as many as possible. On every paid subscription, we are rewarding INR 3000. So this is the spiff that we have prepared, and I feel that we'll should make the maximum use of this. There is a link where you guys just ask your customers, go ahead and register on the link. This is specifically for the customers, so that if they register, we have a fair chance of converting that customer into billable post 30th of September. So make the use of this link. I can show you the details of. Sorry. So this is the landing page when the customer starts registering. We are just asking the name, details of the organization, and they have to go ahead. All details of the program are mentioned. Once they register, there would be automated mails which will go to their mail IDs, respective mail IDs, and which will help them to download, activate the licenses, and do the necessary post activation. Most important part, there are two fields like the partner referral partner name. Ask your customers to put in your organization name there, here, and also the salesperson who is handling the respective customer, just ask the customer to put his mail ID, because the spiff will, so that it becomes easier for us when we collate the data, and when we are rewarding to the salesperson, this details will really help us to collate and consolidate the data and reward the sales guys respectively. So these are some of the key areas which needs to be taken care while you're asking your customers to register and make use and automate their processes, which in this crisis scenario we are seeing it's a tough task of managing the physical resource on the ground. Uh, from my end, I am done. If you have any queries, please raise your hands. Deb, from our end, if you want to take it ahead from here.
Thank you, Amit. It was a wonderful session. I believe Sanjeev, your question has been answered, so I'm lowering your hand. Uh, People, if you have any questions, if you have anything that you would like to know particularly, please drop in your question or raise your hand so that I can unmute you. In the meantime, Amit,
Yeah,
I would also like.
yeah, sorry, I was trying to say if you can open up, probably we can discuss, we can have this uh, open Q&A if somebody would like to answer a question.
Actually, so we are open to any questions. We are open to give you any feedbacks or any inputs that you would like to have. Also, I would just like to raise this question for all the partners, on behalf of all the partners, Amit. What kind of support the partners would be benefiting from Datamatics? How would you like to address it?
Yeah, Ullas sir, would you like to answer?
Sure, Amit. I mean, when it comes to the pre-sale support, so basically, when it comes to our product, then availability of a trial license, availability of the trainings to understand the product, availability of a product support help desk to understand any queries or get any queries that you would have related to the product answered. So far as trainings are concerned, we have online training happening with a regular frequency, plus we have certain on-demand recorded sessions. We have a e-learning system available where you can get registered. So that suffices for getting sufficient knowledge, hands-on experience on the product if anybody wants to do that. That's regarding the product knowledge. And when it comes to pre-sales, then definitely we'll work out the model for required in this particular setup, because it will be a bit different from other partners. But there's a complete pre-sale product support available from our side for each of the leads to ensure that jointly we're able to put across the strongest possible proposal to win that. I think these are the two supports in terms of product support, in terms of pre-sale support. In terms of execution, of course, it depends on the model, but then in all these three areas, Datamatics is fully equipped to provide entire end-to-end support in terms of whatever level of granularity required from our side. So I think that should cover whatever is required for us to jointly work. If there's any specific thing that I didn't touch upon, you can highlight that.
Yeah, this is Murli here. Just to add to Ullas, so partners also have access to Ingram Micro's sales team across all regions. Plus, we also have Datamatics regional channel managers based out of Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai, and Delhi. So they're available for calls remotely, as well as to join you along with you in person for any meetings with end clients. Over to you, Debo.
Yeah, thanks Murli, thanks Ullas. Yes, actually it will become like a very good support from the Datamatics team, and as well as from our team, that we work closely with all the partners. Any regional support, yeah, we would be glad to help you out, and with any kind of technical discussion, with any kind of requirement specification to understand from the customers. Datamatics team have their own technical expertise, who would be glad to take it ahead and close
So
it as
Dev,
an
there is a
opportunity for. Yeah,
Dev,
sure,
there is a partner who has raised his hand.
sure. Yeah, Charles, I'll unmute you.
Yep. Hi there.
Yeah, Charles.
Just wanted to know
Hi,
that,
Charles.
where are the data centers located for the cloud model?
Yes, Ullas, Murli,
Yeah,
Amit.
sure. Yes, so let me clarify. When we speak about our product is available for installation on a data on the cloud, then these will be the clouds cloud setup that the client requires. We are not putting it already on the cloud to make it ready for the clients. It will be on the cloud of the choice of the customer. It could be a public cloud, it could be their personal cloud. So in that setup, there won't be any predefined data centers. When we speak about the cloud of choice for the customers, then data centers would also be appropriately in that region. So location of the data centers will be decided by the cloud providers, but since it's specifically for that customer, all the comforts of the or requirements of the client will get automatically covered there. So that constraint is not there because we are not putting it on specific cloud.
Okay.
So,
So do
so
you have any
Charles, just
special
yeah,
recommendation,
sorry.
like which cloud provider would work best for your products?
Honestly, I mean, it doesn't make any difference technically. So we have been working with all standard cloud models like AWS, Azure, even private cloud, and it works equally well in the on-premise environment. So from product perspective, it doesn't make any difference. And
Okay.
specific recommendations we can give when we are speaking with the client and the data center aspect and other things, security, the regulatory compliance of the country, of the industry, those points we'll consider to give the recommendations. But
Okay.
technically speaking, there's no constraint from product point of view. It can work equally well, and that gives us wider options when we are speaking with the client to address their specific requirements.
Okay. Fine.
So Charles, just to add what Glass sir has just briefed us, a licensing model is a SaaS-based licensing model. So that's the only, but licenses can be ported on-prem and as per the choice of the customer on the cloud.
Okay. Fine. And I have one more question. Like there are many products right now available in the market for automation. So like, do we have any comparison chart with respect to those products about the Datamatics TrueBot or the TrueCap Plus, showcasing the features and the different processes that are available here?
Amit, Deb, I can take that question. So, yeah, you're
Sure.
absolutely right. That's a very common question that comes in the minds of the customers. And what I would like to say here is that whatever comparison that you make today will get obsolete tomorrow because the market is evolving so fast. Each product knows what other products are offering, and it's trying to catch up with each other basically. So as a result of that, if you look at products, none of them will be missing any of the required features. But if you look at our product, each product has certain background and certain mission with which it's been developed. So if you look at TrueBot, then TrueBot has evolved over almost, I would say, 2 decades. Datamatics has been providing BPO services to our clients for almost 2 decades, and to provide end-to-end automations, we have been doing it much before these terms they got coined. Now, the main thing is when these terms became popular, we split our entire end-to-end solution into RPA, IDP, that way. So that's the genesis of TrueBot, and the main intent behind development of TrueBot is ease of use. We would want the customers to be able to easily use it without need for technical knowledge. And so each product would have been developed and I mean grown based on certain thought process. Ours is mainly ease of use. So features may be available in all of them, but what our focus is, those features should be easy to use. So if I compare feature by feature, it will be available in each of the products, but then the differentiator comes with the mission with which the product has been developed, and in TrueBot it is ease of use. That's the main focus we have actually.
Okay. Thank you.
Over to you, Dave.
Yeah, thank you, Charles, for this interesting question. I'm pretty much sure, with the evolution of the technology and the rapid growth in this industry, we are yet to see much more technical or technology growth in this era. And with the help of this COVID offer and this PIF that you were running, I feel extremely happy for all the partners that you should take this opportunity and get as more as onboarded opportunities for us to work together, right? Since this is a new vendor, this is a new product, I would always request that if you have any feedbacks, if you have any inputs that you would like to share, if you have any questions, please drop us a mail. And I would once again thank you for each and everyone. Amit, it was a wonderful journey of like as I hear Datamatics from the BPO sector, from the manpowering industry to a technological company right now. And with each and every step, I would wish you all my best regards and thank you for choosing me as your product manager once again. And thank you everybody. Thank you our associates. Thank you our sales managers who are regionally managing each and every of the partners. Special thanks to Smita and Sneha for arranging this particular webinar. Uh, and I would like everyone that we should stick together in this in this uncertainties. And with all my best regards, I would like to conclude this. Great.
Thank you.
Uh, if you have any questions, you can drop us an email. Thank you, Smita. Thank you, Sneha. And thank you, Amit, Ullas, Murli. Thank you, everybody. Have a lovely day.
Thanks, Dave.
Have a
Thank
lovely
you
weekend
so
as well.
much. Thank
Thanks
you.
all. Have a good day. Bye.
Thanks.
Thanks, Dave.
Thanks, Ingram team. Thank you.